If you want to go back on the Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, then it is quite easy. So if you use buttons for navigation, if you have these 3 buttons, in order to go back you just have to tap on this triangle button, which can be placed over here on the right side or the left side depending on this option over here. I'm going to show you in a second how to find it, but we can just simply tap on this triangle, as I said, in order to simply go back one step to the previous option, previous menu, and so on and so forth. Now if you want to change the position over here, or if you want to switch to gestures, for example, then we can go to settings, then home screen, and then go to system navigation, and there we go. Over here we have our navigation settings. But if you use gestures instead, and if you want to go back, then in this case you want to swipe from the left or right side of the phone towards the middle of the screen. So if I swipe from the left side towards the middle, as you can see we have this indicator that shows us we are about to go back, just like that. And we can do this by simply swiping from the left side of the phone, as I mentioned, or from the right side as well. So quite convenient. It doesn't matter if you do this from one side or the other. You just have to swipe towards the middle of the screen. And of course we can do this much faster too. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.